Issued at 03:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Flood watch in effect through Sunday evening. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flood watch for portions of North Carolina and Virginia, including the following areas. In North Carolina: Bertie, Canton, Chowan, Gates, Hertford, Inland Currituck, Outer Banks Currituck, Pasquotank and Perquimans. In Virginia: Accomack, Chesapeake, Norfolk/Portsmouth, Northampton, Virginia, Suffolk and Virginia Beach. Through Sunday evening, 2 to 4 inches of rainfall has been observed across most areas of southeast Virginia and northeast North Carolina over the past 24 hours. An additional 2 to 3 inches of rainfall will be possible through Sunday evening, with locally higher amounts possible. Heavy rain over already saturated soils may cause flooding across the region, especially across low-lying and urban areas with poor drainage. The flood watch means there is a potential for flooding based on current forecasts. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Repeating, a flood watch has been issued until 08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday for the following counties. In North Carolina: Canton, Chowan, Eastern Currituck, Gates, Pasquotank, Perquimans and Western Currituck.